Masquera saying Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakati kutanka kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa gara waka subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe takwigira inyaya yaburitswa na va Honai Makandiwa na Prophet Honai Makandiwa Buddha comment about the new currency, the ZiG Mure Zimbabwe Buddha vachitaura vachiti currency inogona kutadza kushanda not nekuda kwekuti inga isina value zvinzi but vanhu havana confidence nefaith mairi Mure Zimbabwe zvabuda zvichitaurwa na vaMakandiwa Mure Zimbabwe. Toda kuti tisingaweste nguva yenyu munzwe audio yatakuvigirai muhamati zvamurifunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Ukangotanga kungoti ZiG harishandi.
The moment you start saying the ZiG doesn't work.
Do you know, once people say this is not going to work, it might not work, not because it was not going to work, but because they said it would not what? All that is needed is for people to believe and to trust. And if people are to put their confidence even in something that doesn't work, it will what? How do I know that? How do I know that? It's the value that the money comes carrying. It is what we agree upon. Okay? I gave you this as an example that when it comes to precious minerals, precious metals, it was people who voted gold into power. It was not something that the mineral was carrying. We agreed that there must be value in this thing. It's us. So any piece of paper that is introduced, if we are to agree and we transfer value into any piece of paper, it will work for the economy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. It's up to us, the people. We agree in this thing. Then value is what? Transferred. Why is there value in a Rolex watch than in a Casio watch? It was agreed that it's not even in the materials used. You can have more gold in a cheaper watch. This is why big brands are selling, because people have voted, people have agreed, they've transferred value into a proven brand. And you come up with a nicely well-designed material, it will still be cheaper than Gucci. Why? People have what? Voted. Everything that has value on the earth, it got its value from the people. That's why Jesus talks about the sacrifice on the altar. That it is the altar that gives value to the sacrifice. And Jesus talks about the gold on the temple. And he says it is the temple that gives value to the gold. We are the temple. We give value to any currency of our choice. US dollar has power because of Americans. It is the Americans.
Matthew 23 verse 16. Woe unto you, ye blind guides, which
ndofunga mangozinzwira mega Mure Zimbabwe vaMakandiwa vachitaura pamusoro the new currency yerunzi ZiG muri Zimbabwe zvikanzi panofanira kunge pane confidence necurrency iyi muri Zimbabwe. NaChamisa, the leader of the opposition, vakabudawo vachikomenta on the new currency, this ZiG coin, vatauya vachiti Zimbabwe need a political change, not a currency change muri Zimbabwe. Since a currency ibhando yetrust and confidence, since currency is not currency without confidence and value muri Zimbabwe, since instead of introduce a structured currency, pano need a conversation, produce a citizens-backed structured political change and new government muri Zimbabwe. Since the ZiG is just a bond not rachinjwa zita, since and arifera fixa our challenges haripo muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda on his Twitter handle muri Zimbabwe vatara ivo vachiri Zimbabwe needs political change, not a currency change. A currency is a bond of trust and confidence. A currency is not a currency without confidence and value. Money represents a collective trust in the stability and reliability of the government. Its value is derived from the amalgamation of this confidence. Instead of introducing a structured currency, we need a conversation that produces a citizens-backed structured political change and new government. A bond not by another name will not fix our challenges. A currency is a bundle of confidence, and confidence is a product of good politics and good leadership. Currency change has failed before, and it surely will fail again. All this because of broken politics, disputed elections, and contested national processes. In recent years, all these currencies failed because of bad politics. Zimbabwean dollar, USD, bond note, RTGS, gold coins, ZiG. It is given that the new currency will fail again because of bad politics. Currency reforms will not guarantee currency stability, but good politics will lay the foundation for currency stability. Zimbabwe needs a political and democratic leadership change, not a currency change. No amount of currency change will pivot the nation into prosperity and boom. The citizens have zero confidence in the leadership of the country. Once the citizens lose confidence in an administration, they automatically lose confidence in all that it stands for or represents. Nothing short of a total change and seeking the face of our gold will rescue the nation's fortune. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa NaChamisa about this new currency. Tisikaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.